What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video, man. Hey, today, man, this video is not sponsored by anybody, but sponsored by your boy. Hey, you already know, man. I gotta keep it coming, man. Gotta keep it coming for my subscribers, my viewers. Hey, man. But today, man, y'all see the tour pack that I installed a little while ago. HR3. This is my HR3 by HR3 right here. The tour pack and the lures is sponsored by HR3. But today, y'all, man, we actually going to put on the backrest, man. You can come over here, man. You can see I already got the hose drip. When you get this tour pack from HR3, hey, it's great quality. Like I said before in my last video, they have some little markings on the inside of here that you can it shows you where to drill out your holes and everything. So I already got mine drilled. I didn't want to be doing all that drilling and taking y'all through all that right there. So I went ahead and did that. But today, man, I went out to a place, man, and I picked up a backrest here. Check out the backrest. I picked this backrest up from this place right here. It's called Hog Parts 2013. So this is it right here, man. My dude Chris out there, man. I went out there, they buy old parts, they sell old parts, sell new parts. So if you get a chance, y'all, they ship also. So check them out. They also ship out. If you out of state, they'll definitely take care of you. But I had a bunch of parts that I took off Cone, and I took them up there and made a good deal, man. So today, y'all, I got a brand new backrest from them. And I want to thank Chris for doing that for me, man, because I just need to get all those parts out my garage. But we're gonna get this put on. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. I kind of got the diamond cut. I tried to go with the diamond cut with the seat a little bit, you know, just it match up all the way, but you can see it's kind of got the diamond cut. So just try to keep that pattern going. So like I said, we already got this on here. We're gonna, like I said, I drilled the holes earlier just to make it easier. A quick, fast video. Look at that. I already popped in. I went up to Black Gold, Harley Davidson, and I picked up the bolts, and I have my Loctite. So make sure you use the blue Loctite on here as well. So yeah, but look at that, man. That looks good on the bike. Definitely looks good on the bike. So we're gonna put these bolts on, and I have one more thing that I'm gonna put on the bike as well. Y'all already know. Y'all already know I was gonna do this. Yes, the custom dynamics light for the tour pack. So yeah, we're gonna put this light on. I still have to drill a hole for it right here somewhere, but yeah, we're gonna get this light put on too, so I can have light up top and everything. So I just want to be seen on the highway. So man, let's get to it. So we're gonna put the blue Loctite on right now on all of them. You don't need much, just enough to make sure the lock don't come off. I got my washer. Make sure you get your washer put on there, and we're gonna tighten this down. As you can see, y'all, we got it on there, man. We got the backrest on there. So tell me what y'all think about the backrest. We're gonna kind of get it right here. It kind of looks the same, y'all. If you look at the pattern up here and here in the seat, so that looks good. So, but now, man, we're gonna get the light on here and get that done, and we'll see how that looks when we get that up. So man, I appreciate y'all, man, but we're gonna get that done real quick. I don't want to show y'all everything, but I might show a little bit. I might show a little bit because I got to drill a hole on here. So all right, so let's get to it, baby. Let's go. As you can see that I went with the gloss black, and it comes with the harness as well, and all the zip ties and these little deals here, so you can run your wire and put them up in here so your wire will stay in a good spot. So this is the end to this here, so this end goes in here. So we're gonna wipe it down with the alcohol wipe here, and we're gonna get this baby, you know, stuck up on here. There we go. Make sure you put this in the right spot, right where you want it, because when it sticks, that baby is on there. You do have to take off the seat because you have to get to those connectors, y'all. And this harness here, y'all, gonna go right here. So this is my rear lights here for the back lights. So we're gonna pull this off here, and we're gonna get this baby connected. So let's get to it, baby. What's up, everybody? You can see, man, I got the light on. It's looking good. So yeah, but we're gonna get it tidy up. We're gonna finish it up and show you everything else when it's done, and show you everything what's going on with it, baby. It's looking good, man. I can't knock it, man. Custom Dynamics do their things on those lights, y'all. I really love Custom Dynamics lights, man. I really appreciate them for what they're doing with their lights. And yeah, that's Custom Dynamics lit up in the back, baby. So let me get the backrest back on and put the seat back on, and we'll show you everything when we get it done. Man, Kong is looking real good. Can't wait to get the seat on and get the backrest back on. Then we'll show you what it look like when I finish up this baby, okay? Alrighty. First start up. So, might wake up too late. Looking good, y'all. Hey, my son helped me out there. He got his robe on, y'all. But yeah, check it out. Check out the backrest in the seat, man. It just kind of matches up, man. I tried to match it up close as I could, cause I didn't want to pay $300 for Saddleman's backrest. But yeah, but I'm happy with it, y'all. So, but man, until next time, to the next grind, man. Y'all stay up, man. Y'all have a blessing. Y'all stay safe out there on those twos, man. I'm out of here, man. Peace.
He's gone. I can hear him from the other side of the street. got the mic on.
We out, baby.